Hello, my dear friends. Today we will try to discuss the important terminologies and the life cycle of pig. As you know that the allied sciences, right, is very important for your NABARD examination. It's very important for your IBPS AFO examination because all the years we have seen they ask the question from the allied sciences, right? Whatever the allied sciences of agriculture are, they ask question from that. So today we are discussing in that league only, we are discussing the animal husbandry, the pig part, because we have already discussed the terms and terminologies from the poultry. So if you haven't watched that video, please go through it because every year we are getting question from either poultry or piggery or the goat farming. So today we will discuss the certain points from your pig farming. So as you can see in the figure that the female pig, right, the female mature pig is called as sow, which is the mother pig, and the male mature pig is called the boar, which is the father pig. So the space requirement also they ask sometimes in the examination that what is the space requirement? They have asked this question in the for the poultry, they have asked this question for your cattle. So this they can ask you for the questions related to pig also. So the space requirement for female pig is a 20 SFT, right, square feet, and its male for is 70 SFT, 70 square feet. So the Bacchioso and the bow requires this much amount of space. So when they cross each other, right, after attaining the sexual maturity, which is around 5 to 6 months. So this is also a very important point. You should remember that sexual maturity in pigs right comes after 5 to 6 months. So once they attain their sexual maturity after 5 to 6 months and they have a crossing, right? So what happens is that after the crossing the gestation period means the period that is the new piglets are in the womb of the mother pig and they give birth to the new pigs. So the gestation period of the pig is very, very, very important, and the number is also unique. That's why in the examination they ask many times what is the gestation period of pigs. This is 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days, which accumulates to your 1114 days, right? So this is very important figure. So after this gestation period, new piglets come, and this act of giving birth to new piglets in the case of pig is called as farrowing. Okay, the act of giving birth to new piglets. Okay, in case of pigs is called as farrowing, a very important term. Now another term we hear in the piggery is your parity. What is parity? Parity means the number of piglets that a mother pig right owes. The born ones and whatever the piglets she is going to born, right? Number of piglets is in an ohm. So total number of piglets, right, that mother pig owes is known as parity. What is another term we hear in the terms of a piglet is runt. What is runt? The smallest piglet among the all is known as runt. जो सबसे छोटा होगा, the smallest one is known as runt. ठीक है? So these are the general terms that we use, and you know that in NABARD AFO examination they keep on asking these terms and terminologies. So since the mother pig requires much space, so it is more than your 20, 70, it's 100 square feet because she has to give birth to the new one. So after the getting birth, the piglets starts growing, and to grow, they need the mother's milk. So this process of giving mother milk continues till 21 days. So birth to weaning period is 21 days. Weaning means the new piglets are removed from the mother liquid milk and they are started with the solid food. So weaning means removing away from the mother milk. Okay? So this period is also very important of 21 days. So when the piglets mature, the female piglet, right, is known as, or the female pig is known as the gilt, and the male pig, right, male pig which has been castrated before attaining puberty. Remember, which has been castrated. Castrated means removal of the male sexual organs, certain sexual organs like testicles are removed. They are known as barrow. If they are done, is done after attaining puberty, right? After attaining puberty, it's known as stag. So remember the difference. If it is castrated, right, before attaining the puberty, that is the sexual maturity, it is known as barrow. If it is done after it, it is known as stag. So these two terms are very important and they keep on asking the examination. Now, another term we use is the fattener pig. What is this fattener pig, right? Or what is this hog is? So fattener pig or the hog is the bulky pig, you can say, which has gained a lot of mass. So after this period of weaning till it reaches the market to be sold, when it is a weight of around 140 kg, right, 150 kg, which is in pound you can say 280 pounds, this period is known as fattening period. Fattening period means you are fattening the pig, you are giving it more feed so that it gains mass, so that it reaches the market. So from weaning, right, till it reaches the market is known as fattening period, and the pig in that period is also called as fattener pig. So this pig is also called as hog, which has attained a lot of mass. So whenever we're talking about the mass, so the commercial product of the pig is a pork or the bacon. The meat of the pig is called the bacon, that you must remember. Another term that is very, very, very important in context of the pig farming is your food conversion, feed conversion ratio, because pig are known to be very efficient converter of the waste material, and they gain mass very right fastly through the waste materials also. So to gain 3.2 to 4 kg of feed per kg of weight gain. Okay? So they require this amount of input to give 1 kg of weight in their body. So this feed conversion ratio 3.2 to 4 is very, very, very important for your pigs. And one other important feature of pigs is the dressing percentage. Dressing percentage means after right removing all the waste part, whatever the meat is available, whatever the pork is available, or whatever the bacon is available, that is known as dressing percentage. So this is one of the highest among the right all the breeds. If you compare poultry, if you compare the beef and all things, the highest percentages of pig only, that is 65 to 80%, because in rest of the thing it is below 65% only, below 65% only. So this is also one of the important features of a pig. So if you see this entire cycle, right, entire cycle in this chart, we will see that the gestation period you have to remember, that is 333 very important figure. Then is your farrowing period, birth to winning period, as I said, you here also, that is 21 days or 3 weeks. Then comes the nursery when the pig is growing and attaining its maturity. It is around your 6 to 8 weeks or 42 to 56 days, very important. Then comes this after nursery is growing and the finishing state, that comes to 105 to 120 days, right? Very important. Nursery after nursery period, they ask in the examination, growing and finishing, right, is that period. Marketing, right? Once they gain a lot of weight, around 280, right, pounds or 140, 150 kg after 5 to 6 months. This is important. After 5 to 6 months, they are ready to be sold in the market for your bacon on the pork. One term we missed out is the rooting. Rooting is the burrowing of the. Many times you will see that pigs are playing and burrowing the nose in the soil. So that is known as rooting. Rooting. And pigs are also associated with the act of wallowing. Pigs are also associated with the act of wallowing, like the buffalo. Where they like to play with the mud and all to cool down their body temperature. So this is known as wallowing. So wallowing you will see along with buffalo, it is seen on the pig also. So these are the most important terms and the terminologies related to your pig. If you go through it properly, I think it is more than enough to answer any of the question related to life cycle and the terms and terminology associated with the piggery. That's it, my dear friends. Bye-bye, take care, and also have a look on the this same session on the poultry. We'll be coming on the other sessions also for the goat farming, sheep farming, like that, so that in a single chart you can understand everything. Bye-bye, take care.